Happy morning, children. This is your Jyoti teacher. Children, I hope that from the previous sessions we have understood what we have completed from lesson 1 to lesson 3, including poems also. And I hope that you are practicing them and you are reading them. And children, today we are going to see the lesson 4, Dear Diary, Countdown to Republic Day. We see now. Here see, what is the small girl doing? The lesson, Dear Diary, Countdown to Republic Day, is about the young girl named Saisha, who participates in the Republic Day parade. Children, I think you know that Republic Day parade, even in our school also we have seen so many times. Whenever Republic Day is a parade we are going to conduct. All our NCC boys and girls and scouts and all the 4 houses, they have done the march parade in that manner. So here a girl named Saisha who participates in the Republic Day parade. It is presented as a series of diary entries written by the girl. Diary entries written by the girl means every day, whatever the event she is going to participate, she always write that in her diary. So, writing a diary by a little girl named Saisha. But on which topic? As she was participating in the Republic Day parade. But before that, we must know what is diary entry. Here see, diary entry. Here, most of the people used to write diaries. Even sometimes, maybe some of you girls or boys, they have the habit of writing diaries. Why they write diaries? See now, diaries help us to organize our thoughts and make them apprehensible. Apprehensible means capable of being understood. So whatever thoughts will come into the diaries, what are the thoughts? They are in our mind. We put them on a paper. We can record daily events, thoughts and feelings about certain experiences or opinions. This comes our personal diaries. But children, in our school, whenever every class completes, you open the diary and write what teacher says and what we have to do at home also as homework. So in the same sense, how these diaries we use at school, in the same sense, the personal diaries also, what they will do, whatever thoughts we have in our mind, we write in that diaries. And sometimes journeys, they also allows us to tag and archive diary entries. It means when you go some places also, regarding the places also you write sometimes in the diaries. And these diaries, how they help us? Here, writing helps us to remember events more clearly. When you write no, then whatever the situations they have completed, we have a grip on that. It means we remember them. Writing also gives us tangible memories of events. Tangible means which we can see and touch. It means we can remember them and write in our diaries. Most people include day, date, daily events, and weird. Weird means strange things that happen to them. These all they include in the diary. Diary writing is important for some as they want to write their feelings which they can't express to anyone. Sometimes some feelings we can't express to others. These feelings can be written in our personal diaries. For a good diary writing, you must be true to diary. It means you should consider diary as your best friend and you have to review what are the things you want to express can be written in the diary. That only here see. For a good diary writing, you must be true to diary. Consider diary as your best friend to which you can share all types of things that happens all day. You must put your feelings, what your inner yourself tells you at different conditions in your diary. It means in diary, you should write your inner feelings that you can't share to others also can be written in your diaries. Now children, so I think you got an idea about diary. But now here Saisha is going to participate in Republic Day parade. So Republic Day parade we know that. But what is Republic? First we see that. Republic means a state in which supreme power held by the people and by their elected representatives. By their elected representative means we elect our superiors like our chief minister, governor, president, prime minister in the same sense, and which has an elected or nominated president. So it means the complete power given to the people in this Republic Day. It means Republic countries. So now Republic Day means what? Republic Day is a day to remember when the Constitution of India officially came into force on January 26, 1950. So this historical act formally transitioned to become an independent. So from that day onwards, ours is an independent republic. It means the people also have the supreme power and hence it is celebrated on January 26th every year. It has been celebrated every year in India on January 26 since 1950 to honor the date on which the Constitution of India came into effect. India was a colony of the British for over 200 years. Over 200 years, Britishers had ruled us and became independent from the rule of the British Raj following the Indian independence movement. So now children, ours is a republic country and we have patriotic feelings in us. But what is patriotic feelings and what is patriotism? And what is a sense of pride in one's country? We see now. Patriotism or national pride is the feeling of love, devotion, and sense of attachment to a homeland. Homeland means motherland. And aligns with other citizens who share the same sentiment. Here I want to compare with a family. See, in a family, how all the family members are, they love their family members and they are ready to do anything for the sake of their family and they are united. United means they are together. in a family. In the same sense, when compared to our country, here patriotic feelings means the people who love our country and they have the attachment to this motherland, and they have the brotherhood feelings with all the citizens. This attachment can be a combination of many different feelings relating to one's own homeland, that is motherland, including ethnic, cultural, political, or historical aspects. We will be together with the people in some cases, maybe because of religious or because of cultural or because of political conditions. That feeling makes us to come together. That is the patriotism. We Indians are very proud of our armed forces and are eternally grateful for their valiant services in keeping us safe and secure. We know this very much. By servicing at the borders, because of the soldiers, we are very safe and secure in the country. As proud citizens of this country, we stand united behind the armed forces and the government in their efforts to counter terrorism and respond to any attack on our sovereignty. It means, sovereignty means here independence. So maybe we can't go and fight with the other countries, but the armed forces on behalf of the government, when the other countries are, when the enemies, they are going to cross their borders and get into our country, instead of us, the armed forces are ready to fight with them. It means because of them, we are very safe and secure in our country. So now, children, let us learn the diary entries of a young girl who is excited about the Republic Day celebrations. It means a girl named Saisha. Now see, a great opportunity came to Saisha's school. Saisha's school was participating in the Republic Day parade. Then she started writing a diary every day about her experiences. Children, now see the Republic Day parade. See? When we see it in a live manner, we can't forget it in our life. In a unique manner, they will have the march parade here. And here see, the armed forces, how they are doing here. They are riding the bikes and doing some acrobats also. The armed forces parade and the air force, and sometimes see the dances. And here for this dance, only the selected people will be there. So in this manner, Saisha also working for it. Now we see, on 10th December 2014, now this is 2020, but this lesson was given in 2014. So on that day, Saisha wrote in her diary. What she wrote? She was so excited because Saisha and her friends were having dance trials. Here, children, dance trials means here, trials are nothing but whether a person's suitability for something. It means they are suitable or not, they will have a test for it. So the dance trials, if they have done very well, they will be selected for the dance. The trials for have done to select the participants in the dance. So because of that, what happened? Saisha, she had practiced day and night to get a chance in the parade. You see, if she got a chance in the parade means it's a great opportunity. See the participants, how they were, and see how many people were watching them. It's a great honor given to the people who got the chance in it. On 12th December 2014, what she had written in her diary? See, because of her hard work and sincere practice in the dance, she was selected and was so happy. Still, she felt that she had been listening to the music all day. Why? Because of her continuous practice with the music, what happened? Still, she felt that she had been listening to the music. Maybe sometimes we also feel that continuous listening to the music, and when we stop it also, what happened? We feel that still we are listening to the music. So now, children, in the next session, we'll continue the lesson. But children, read it for 2 or 3 times. Thank you, children.